Milk, we can't guarantee. Cheese is bad, don't disagree. Butter, ew, like high key. Forced to be dairy-free.
Howdy folks, welcome back to Forced to be Dairy-Free, Week 1, Episode 4. Today, we'll be making clam chowder.
Yes, actually, to be specific, it's Midwestern clam chowder.
Midwestern clam chowder.
Yeah, Midwestern clam chowder. It's our own unique clam chowder to the Midwest, or at least I call it unique. I've never had clam chowder like this before. I love the other clam chowders. I love the Manhattan clam chowder. I love the New England clam chowder. But the Midwestern clam chowder may be the best. And it is dairy-free. All right, so we're going to go over the ingredients. But we have a little over 12 ounces of mushrooms over here. I have 2 nice-sized potatoes. I had Yukon Gold potatoes I diced up. 3 cups of extra creamy oat milk. I have about 3 tablespoons of oregano, fresh oregano, and a tablespoon of fresh thyme, straight out of the herb garden. Great time of year, beginning of April 1st actually for us. And I have this fresh oregano and fresh thyme. If you didn't know already, those are both perennial crops. Do you know what perennial means?
No.
It means that it comes back every year. So it's very nice to put in your landscaping. It looks nice and it's tasty, and you can have fresh herbs for us in this region from the end of March until the end of October, and you can just keep picking it. I can cook with thyme and oregano every day.
Yep.
I have 3 celery stalks. I have some crushed bacon. It was six strips of bacon that had already cooked in here, and I kept the oil, and I had the oil on medium heat. And while that's on the heat, I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 chopped onion, fresh into that bacon oil. Over here, I have 4 tablespoons of plant butter, our favorite plant butter that we found on sale. So I bought 4 containers of that. I'll go over a couple of other ingredients here. I have 4 cans of clams, and I said in the ingredients 24 ounces. These come in 6.5 ounce cans. The 4 of those, so that, adds up to 26, right? 26 ounces of clams. Doesn't need to be perfect on that. And then I also, from the clams, make sure to have it in the clam juice. And I drained all the clam juice into this container, and then added enough water to make it 2.5 cups. The clam juice made about 2 cups. I added a 1/2 cup of water to that. So we have that going well there.
Yep.
The mushrooms are the onions are getting nice and tender. I'm going to go ahead and add the potatoes. And you're really getting good at this, Cameron.
Thank you. You are too. I'm not a bit. You're already good at stirring.
Good. I was already good at stirring?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's a great compliment.
Yeah.
You got to make sure the camera sees you, though, when you're cooking. So you got to point yourself this way, so they can smile and see how happy you are while you're making it. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have those ingredients combined. Now I need to get this. Let me know when you get the potatoes to where they're nice and covered and heated through.
Okay.
So I'm going to add about 8 ounces of my mushrooms to the plant butter. I'm going to go ahead and turn that up to high and get that hot. And while she's doing that, I'm going to do a quick chop of the rest of these mushrooms. I said 12 ounces total. I'm going to stick to that. I'm not going to make it overly mushroomy. So we have 8 ounces that I'm going to be mixing with the oat milk and the butter. And then the other 4 ounces or so of mushrooms I'm going to just dice up here. And they'll be thrown in here in a few minutes. Cameron, say something interesting.
How was your day?
My day was fine. I was with you all day.
I was talking to them.
Oh, how was your day?
Yeah, I can hear them. I'm
Yes.
special.
So I've been paying attention to. Oh, sorry. You keep going.
I was saying that was good because they said a good thing. Go ahead.
I was thankful. We've had a slow and steady growing group of subscribers. I want to say how thankful I was for them for subscribing. And you've had some nice comments. I really appreciate that. We're having fun doing this. Either way, it's a good father-daughter activity, isn't it, Cameron?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
I go through and try to subscribe to all of you all so that we can watch your videos too.
Yeah, we're all a team. It's a pretty fun activity though. I used to do all the cooking by myself, and I have a little partner with me. It's pretty fun. All right, so she has that going. I'm going to go ahead and add the clam juice with a little bit of water. And I'm going to add my oregano and my thyme. I'm going to add I like celery seed, but that's going to be about just over a teaspoon. So over a teaspoon of celery seed right there. And we go ahead and put in the bacon. How's that going?
Very good.
Going very good.
Yeah.
Alright, so the only ingredients I have right now are the celery, clams, and the mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and add the celery. See, this is going pretty fast, pretty smooth. Look how fast it goes with teamwork. I'm going to cook down these mushrooms. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to them.
Already looking pretty.
Alright, you can let that sit now, Cam. Add some cracked pepper to my mushrooms.
Looking good.
Alright, so we're going to let that cook down here for a couple minutes and we'll be right with you. Alright, so the potatoes and the herbs and everything in the clam juice, it cooked down. It's cooked for about 7 minutes now since we stepped away. So the potatoes are done but not overdone, not mushy. So we need to get moving on to this next part of the ingredients. The mushrooms, I cooked those another 5 minutes or so and then took them off the heat. They're nice and they're golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and put these in my food processor here. Try not to make a mess if I can. I think I can accomplish it. Yes. Success.
Give John
Full success.
round of applause, please. Round of applause.
Round of applause. Round of applause.
That deserves a like.
Then I'm going to add my 3 cups of my very creamy, extra creamy oat milk. Right there.
Make sure you close the lid because you don't want an explosion. You'll have to.
Yeah, that would be bad. You wouldn't do that. Who would do that, Cameron?
You.
Okay. So I'm going to blend that up. And while I'm blending that up, I'm going to turn this down to a low heat.
Low heat.
Low heat. Low heat, Cameron.
Yeah, low heat.
Low heat.
Low heat.
Okay. Huh? Now I'm going to add my mushrooms mixed into the oat milk, into the chowder. Again, making sure that's turned down, that heat's turned down. I don't want to get that milk too hot. My lovely assistant is going to mix it up while I add the mushrooms, the rest of the mushrooms. And then I'm going to put in the chowder.
Yes, you are.
Or not the chowder. Silly goose.
Gosh,
The clams into the chowder.
That's what
And
makes
Cameron, what kind of chowder is it? What is the name of the chowder?
Midwestern clam chowder.
Midwestern clam
You
chowder.
can say it like this. Midwestern clam chowder.
That's not how we talk.
That is.
We talk more.
You talk like that all the time.
Okay, alright. So I'm going to add more cracked black pepper. Add a little bit more salt. About half a teaspoon. And we're going to let that simmer for 20 minutes and then we'll serve it. Alright, the clam chowder, the Midwestern clam chowder, has simmered and it heated to where it's hot now for just over 20 minutes. So it's ready to serve now. One secret I should have told you earlier on that bacon, the first thing that I did, you want to make sure that you get that good and crispy. You don't want to have the bacon with fat on it, and then when you put it into the chowder later, it's going to be kind of rubbery. So just for the texture, you want to make sure that's good and crispy. And we're going to give a good, healthy portion. I just absolutely love this clam chowder. It has such an earthy flavor to it. The fresh herbs just really stand out. And so does the chowder itself, the clams. I just love it.
Yes.
So enjoy.
Yes. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and the notification bell so you get notified every time we post a video. Bye, guys.
Bye.